Hello students, this is Bhavna Kaushik, Social Studies teacher, Geography, Chapter 4, Maps, Lecture 1. Hello children, I am back again with a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, Maps, Geography. Earth, our habitat. Children, you can see on your screens this picture. This picture is representing all the continents, all the 7 continents which are green in color in this picture. And the blue color is representing oceans, water bodies. That means 71% of our earth is covered with water. Children, you can see all these things on your screen. You can see the continents and the blue color. In the previous chapter, I have also explained you about the globe. Now we will study maps. What are maps? How maps are useful? How maps are different from globe? Different types of maps. All these things we will study in this chapter. Next thing is, did you know? The first map of the world was probably made by the Greek cartographer. Now, who is a cartographer? A cartographer is a person who makes maps. And the art of making maps is known as cartography. Anaximander, in the 6th century BCE, he prepared the map of the world assuming that the earth was cylindrical. The first map of the world, with an assumption that the earth was spherical, was drawn by the Greek cartographer Eratosthenes. We will study now in this mind map. I hope you can see this mind map. It is given in your LRs. Political map, physical map, thematic map. That means they are the types of map. There are 3 types of map: political map, physical map, thematic map. Based on purpose, based on scale. Types of map, based on purpose, based on scale. Based on scale are large scale map, small scale map. Next is components of map. Title, scale, directions, conventional symbols, legend, color. Next thing is study bite 1. In the study bite 1, we are going to study what is map. Definition of map. A map is a representation of the whole or part of the earth. It is drawn on a flat surface. A map is drawn to scale. Now, a map is a representation either of the whole or a part of the earth, and it is drawn on a flat surface, and it is even drawn to scale. Second is, maps provide a variety of information. They give us the exact location of a place, help us to see the world at a glance, give us an idea about sizes and shapes of different continents and countries in the world. Now, maps give us a variety of information. For example, if you want to go somewhere and you want to see the direction, or if you want to search for the place, you generally see the maps. So they give us the exact location of a place. They help us to see the world at a glance. If you cannot go in every country and see the exact size of that country or the continent, so they help us to see the world at a glance, and they give us an idea about the sizes and shapes of different continents and even the countries in the world. Maps help people to locate routes, obtain information on climate, vegetation of a place, etc. Now, map help us to locate routes also. They give us we can obtain information from the maps like on climate, vegetation of a place. So they are very, very helpful and useful to us. Now, difference between map and a globe. Observe the following figures and answer the questions given below it. Now, you can see the map on one side and you can even see the globe on one side. Both the things are given to you. This is a world map. This is a globe. So now we have to find out the difference between the globe and the map. So we are going to study generally there are certain general differences between them which everyone knows. Like we can say that the globe, they are of big also. Sometimes they are not very easy to carry. Map you can carry anywhere. You can find the proper exact direction by seeing the map but not looking on the globe. So now we will study some more differences. Like, what are more differences between a map and a globe? It is map. It is a representation of the earth, whole or a part of it, on a flat surface drawn to scale. Globe. It is a model of the earth in a miniature form. Map. Large number of details are shown using symbols. Globe. Only major details can be shown. Map. Large areas of the earth can be seen at a glance. Globe. Globes help in understanding relative shapes and sizes of oceans and continents. Map. It is easy to handle and several maps together can form an atlas. Globe. Large globes are difficult to handle. Map. It is two-dimensional. Globe. It is three-dimensional. Map. Latitudes and longitudes are drawn on as straight lines, so there is distortion in the shape and size of the continents and oceans. Globe. Latitudes and longitudes are drawn as circles and semicircles, so there is no distortion in the shape and size of the continents. These are some of the differences, 6 differences between a map and a globe. You must have observed that a map is drawn on a flat surface, while a globe is spherical in shape. Globe is a model of the earth. You can see the entire area of the earth on the map at the same time, while the globe allows you to see a part of the earth at one time. A map can represent the complete information about any specific features of a region in detail. The above exercise may help you to understand the following definitions of a map and the globe. Now, I have already read the definition of map. Globe. A globe is the model of the earth in a miniature form. Now, we have already studied about map and the globe. You can see over here it is given in the tabular form, and I have already explained to you about this. So children, I hope you have understood this much. Read the chapter once again. Read the difference once again. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.